Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your myWisely application on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to download your myWisely application on PC. Firstly, open your BlueStacks application. On the search box at the top, type in myWisely app download and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Scroll down and tap on the download option. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading, tap on the install button to install the application. After the installation process is completed, click on the open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you will be able to download your myWisely application on desktop quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.